Protection Collection. Ooh, Beyonce knows who I am. This is stunning. Can you even see like the C for Cécred? I got the entire Protection Collection line from Cécred, and I'm going to do a real unboxing, a complete first impression of the Cécred Protection Collection. This video is not sponsored, but it is gifted. So thank you to the Cécred team. I'm going to give you my honest review. I don't think you need every single one of these products. I'm going to tell you, and I'll tell you why. But there are some standouts that if you had to choose from the line, what I personally think if you had to choose, get everything. If you have it like that, get everything. But if you want to try something out first, I'm going to tell you by the end of this video my top 3 favorite products. So yeah, let's get into the first impression of the Protection Collection by Cécred. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. I am a professional hair and makeup artist, and I love teaching you about beauty, like hair, makeup, all the things. I also host a podcast called The Transformation Passport, but it's not just a podcast, it's also a wellness-centered community. And guess what? We are going to Bali, Indonesia, September 2026. If you're interested in relaxing, but you think of like a solo group trip, so you'll be able to do things on your own. And then if you want to kiki with the girls, you could do that too. Think sisterhood and soul care like collide. That's exactly what the Transformation Passport Retreat is. A 2,000 square foot suite overlooking the Indian Ocean with a private pool and a jacuzzi. And it's going to be your sanctuary for 5 days. And you're going to be able to have like sisterhood. So visit transformationpassport.com. That is where you will be able to register. And like I said, registration's almost closed because I know a lot of high achieving women. And I love that there's so many people that are interested in just resting and relaxing. Let's get into today's video. So I got a package the other day and it's from Cécred. I can't believe Queen Bee knows who I am. Well, at least the people around her do. So today I was able to wash my hair. It felt so good. It felt literally like a ritual and some sacred time to myself. I took the day off and I'm going to walk you through every single product. It's 5 products in the line. I do not think you need all 5. It's just a first impression video of the new Cécred Protection Collection. So let's get into it. I had an amazing summer. I traveled a little bit. I did a few speaking engagements. Went to BaddyCon. I got invited to the US Open with Cadillac. Probably one of the best summers of my life. It was really, really good. Mother knows who I am. This is huge. Thank you, Cécred. To the amazing team. We're going to have some fun today because I do need to wash my hair. And this is their newest line. Isn't it good? I'm very excited. Let's look inside. I'm going to try to do this with like one hand. I think I shifted some of the stuff around. Let's see. And did. This is a beautiful PR package. Wow. Okay, Protection Collection. Yeah, this is really dope. All right, let's look inside. Graphics are so pretty. All right, so healthy hair from the install to the takedown. So whether you're trying to detox, refresh, or deeply nourish your scalp and hair, shed less, retain more, and take styles down in less time. That's amazing. So what I want to try first, I don't know the best way, but wigs and weaves. Okay, perfect. So they give you stages that you're going to style your hair in. So I wear a lot of wigs. They have these, what stage is your style in? So wigs and weaves. So I'm in the takedown stage right now. So I'm going to start with the detangling spray, the scalp refreshing spray, then the oil ritual, and then the detoxing shampoo. This is the detangling spray. We're going to start with this. It's giving me like, I don't know, this beautiful nostalgic scent of like, I don't know, like, ooh, they just slid on through. I'm using this brush right here. I do feel like it's kind of limiting like the breakage. It really is just like slipping through my hair, like the slip that this has created. All right, the bar is pretty high right now because I'm obsessed with this detangling spray. And I've used a lot of detangling sprays. And I don't think I've ever used one like this. Yeah, this is really nice. I like that a lot. Next is the Scalp Refreshing Spray. Let's learn about that. So the Scalp Refreshing Spray, y'all keep in mind, I've never used these products in my life. You're getting a real live impression. Okay, Scalp Refreshing Spray. It's under the category of cleanse. So it's an instant, no rinse cleanse with custom targeting nozzle to break down the buildup. So that's what this is. So this is the refreshing spray for your scalp. So you're going to spray it directly onto targeted areas of your scalp. No rinse required. So it also has peppermint oil, which gives you this instant relief from itchiness or tension that you might have had from like your wigs or weaves or braids. All right, let's try this out. Neutralizes odor and eases tension between washes. All right, and I'm just following the steps right here that it has for wigs and weaves. So it wanted me to start off with step 1 was the detangling spray. Step 2 is the scalp refreshing spray. Just spray. Perfect. Ooh, peppermint. Let's get, oh yeah, this smells nice. Okay, so I want to go row by row. I love this little nozzle. Really get in there. And I feel like you don't even have to part the hair. You could just kind of put this little nozzle and like massage it. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. That's real nice. It just feels so good. That's real nice. It's not too tingly, not too spicy. It kind of has like this cooling effect. I like that. I'm really impressed by just the packaging, and it's so thoughtful to have the long nozzle so I can just easily access my scalp. I'm also finding that when I twist it, it still works too. Not upside down, but kind of like at an angle. I feel like I'm at the spa. All right, so now that we've done that, we're going to move on to the oil ritual. So we did the detangling spray, the scalp refreshing spray, which feels so good right now. So let's learn about the oil ritual. Okay, so the oil ritual is this little bad boy right here. She's cute. It looks just like the shampoo, but it's kind of like a darker situation. So the oil ritual delivers deep hair and scalp nourishment at every stage of the protective style. And it has a potent blend of 21 oils that are going to soften the hair and elevate the shine. I'm going to put the oil on my head and then just get under the dryer with a plastic cap. So let's do that. Oh, yeah. Ooh. She's oily. I like her. What's it called? Like a shower cap? I don't have one, so I'm using this plastic bag. Just gonna put my little hair. Honestly, I didn't think my head would fit, but it does. I don't like my ears to burn. Got a little plastic bag on. How's it look? Looks good? We good? Okay, let's go into the dryer for, I think, for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go. All right, I'm not even gonna lie. That was good. That was really, really nice. Wait, I think my lens is dirty. Oh, Lord, hold on. Okay, I think that's better. The shampoo was really nice. But you know that feeling when you get done with extensions or braids or wigs and you just like, ooh, you cannot wait for that wash. That's exactly how it felt. It was like that, but times 10. So now what I'm going to do is I'll probably put a wig on tomorrow. But the final product that I need to try now that my hair is cleansed and washed, I want to nourish it. But they have this balm, like this scalp balm that I want to use. Let me go grab it. Okay, so the next product is the hair and scalp balm. That's this right here. That's what this looks like. And basically it has over 10 different uses. It has ceramides that help support the moisture barrier of the hair and the scalp. And it's going to help with braiding and locks in the moisture while you're in a protective style. It also helps you blend out the leave out, smooths frizz, and adds shine. So the way to use it is warm between your fingers until it becomes a balm. So that in, kind of warm it up a little bit. Yeah, it became an oil. Perfect. Put this on my edges. It kind of reminds me of, I don't know, like greasing my scalp when I was little, but it blends into like a lightweight oil. I can't describe it. So what I think I'm going to do is just do a nice little slick back for the day. I'm going to go to the gym. But let me get my center part together. This is not the right tool. Don't judge me. Oh no. Oh, this is all the buildup. I didn't rinse well. I mean, good news and bad news is I definitely detoxed my scalp, but I have seborrheic dermatitis. So you see all this flaking? I should have really went in and rinsed really well. Live. This is so ratchet. But yeah, just brush those flakes out. But look how clean my scalp is. All of those flakes, I think, were all the debris and the buildup from my scalp. Okay, now that I've kind of played with the product a little bit and demoed it, I love the way that as you work into your fingertips, it turns into something kind of thick and easily gets like this oil consistency. And I feel like it's a really great multi-use product. It says up to 10 different uses. So I like using it on my scalp, on my edges, on the ends of my hair. And I'm thinking kind of like this is the use I had when I used the moisture sealing lotion. I used this same exact, kind of like this step. Gonna rub those on the ends. Yeah. I like that a lot. All right, next up, because I've been really excited to try it, is the edge control drops. Every time I go get them, they're always gone from Ulta. And this is probably going to definitely be more of like a long-term use. Ooh, this came with the PR package. Thank you, Cécred. I love that you threw this in there. All right, so fill the dropper completely and apply directly to the edges of the scalp. Don't waste a drop. And I'm gonna just use those as drops. That's my edge control today because I'm literally about to go to the gym. So yeah, I think overall my final review, it showed the gaps in my routine as far as my takedown. So I try to wash my hair every 7 to 10 days. And then when I take my wig off, what I simply do is I might just cleanse it, do a pre-wash, a shampoo with the moisturizing shampoo by Cécred. Then I'll maybe do like a, deep conditioner and rinse that out. But my favorite product was probably, I don't know, this is hard. Yeah, I love the detangling spray. That's probably the number one product. If you had to get anything from this line, the detangling spray. And the reason why I say that is when I think about myself and also think about clients or just multi-use, Anyone can use that product. I swear, everything that slip that it created, it just made it so much easier. And then when I looked into my brush, I didn't have nearly as much shedding as I typically have. And shedding is normal, especially after a takedown, but it was just so quick. When I sprayed the detangling spray, my comb just went straight through with my brush. And then number 2, I would probably rate as far as a must-have. As somebody who has seborrheic dermatitis, I loved that no rinse spray as far as a scalp refresher. It had like this menthol and peppermint sensation to it. It was just quick, no rinse. I could spray it directly onto like the targeted spots on my scalp. And then also I can see myself using it almost daily underneath my wig to really get rid of that buildup. And if you had to pick any one up, I would say the detangular spray, the refreshing spray, so both sprays, and then a must-have would definitely be that oil ritual. The experience was great. If you had to buy all 5, buy all 5. But if you had to select, you're like, okay, let me just try a little bit first. Detangling spray for sure. Just my honest opinion. The refreshing spray, especially if you have scalp issues or dandruff or you do like weaves or extensions or protective styles, definitely get both sprays. And then last but not least, that oil ritual. So yeah, that was my review, my real-time firsthand experience and unboxing. Thank you to the Cécred team for sending it. And I hope that this helps you with your purchases. It really did feel like a ritual. It felt like a moment to take the day off, treat myself, and just do my hair. Because it's every little part of our day. If we do it intentionally, they really can become rituals. So I took about an hour to myself today to just relax, cleanse my mind, cleanse my scalp, nourish my hair. And I just feel so good. Like there was no better feeling than taking your wig off or taking your braids down or any protective style and then just having that clean sensation. But shout out to the Cécred team. I definitely love the Protection Collection because the number one thing, I'm going to look forward to doing my hair because it really is like a ritual. All right. And then don't forget the Bali retreat. Registration is still available. There's about 3 to 4 slots left. And I'll put all the information in the bio and the description down below. And thank you so much for watching.